everyone. Just wanted to show you the new bag that I got. It's called the LIHIT Lab Bag. It's advertised as a laptop sleeve. This one's brown. It measures 10 by 13.8 inches. It also comes in 7.1 by 9.8 inches. Various colors, black, brown, orange, and a yellowish green color. It has two zippers here. I'm going to be using this actually to hold my sketchbook and not my laptop. My 10.5 iPad Pro fits in here nicely along with the sketchbook, so if anything I'll have my iPad Pro in here as well. But I purchased it as a bag to hold my sketchbooks and sketching supplies. So I'll just open it up here. Just kind of walking through it. It has two pockets here. I don't have anything in them right now. It has Velcro straps, and it has three pockets on this side here. And right now I have a mechanical pencil in there, have a Uniball Vision fine point in there, and have another space there. I will most likely put a watercolor brush in there. I just purchased some new watercolor brushes too. These are Tiza. I'll be doing a review on those as well, so look out for that. And I think these will fit in there nicely. It looks like they might be a little tall. These are Tizas, are a little taller than other watercolor brushes, but they hold more water. And this is the sketchbook that I purchased. I'll be doing a review on this as well, so keep your eye out for that. The first time I purchased this sketchbook, Delta series. It is the Stillman and Byrne. I've heard a lot of great things about this, so keep your eye out on the review that I'm gonna be working on for this one. And you can see this is a 8 by 10 inch sketchbook. It fits nicely with the little room here, so you could even put a larger sketchbook in there if you wanted to, but it fits nicely in there. You know, I can put my iPad Pro in there as well if I wanted to keep that, because I do use that for sketching as well. Fits nicely. It's just plain on the back. Got a nice little logo there. It says designed for arrangement. And it's a nice simple bag, and that's what I like. I was looking for something really simple, just to carry a sketchbook. It's advertised as a bag in a bag, because you can just stick this in your backpack or stick it in a messenger bag, whatever type of bag, or you can just carry it just like this. And it seems to be very high quality. It also has two pockets up here, so it has plenty of pockets. You can even put a smaller sketchbook here. You know, I did have earlier in the week, in this pocket, I had my external hard drive in here, and I had the charging cable on this side. So, you know, there's different uses for it. If you want to use it for a laptop, you can use it for a laptop and then keep some of your other items in these other pockets. So I'll put the link in the description below for if you want to get it. You can purchase it through Amazon. I'm not sure where else they're sold, but I know I purchased mine on Amazon. So take a look if you're looking for something like this. It's a great little bag. I think I made a good purchase, and I think this is going to last me for quite a while.